then use a brush to spread it evenly across the surface. Crack 4 eggs directly onto the paper. A pinch of salt. Black pepper. Half a teaspoon chili flakes, optional. Sprinkle some mixed dried herbs. Lightly beat the eggs, just enough to mix, but not until smooth. Dear friends, from which country are you watching? Kindly write in the comments. I would love to know. A handful of spinach, about 70 grams, chopped. Friends, I'd love it if you could like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for supporting my channel's growth. Smiling face with hearts. Add the chopped spinach on top of the eggs. Slice 7 to 8 cherry tomatoes in half. Slice 1 small sweet pepper. Arrange them nicely. Finish by sprinkling 50 grams of shredded cheese on top. Place in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. It's done. It smells amazing. Friends, if you're enjoying my video, don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. It looks pretty and delicious. Be careful, it's piping hot. Who's ready for a bite? Thanks for watching. See you next time for more delicious recipes. Smiling face with hearts.